Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is my channel Chronically Crafty. Yesterday was Valentine's Day, so I hope you all had a good day yesterday and managed to spend it with the people you love. Today I've come with you with an unboxing from the Always and Knitting Stitchy box, sewing project box. It's paid for with my own money. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. It's paid for with my own money. It's just a subscription box that I get every month that I've got for a little while now, and I just thought I would share it with you. So let's open it and find out what's inside. So the first thing is some white tissue paper with a little leaflet. Put the leaflet to one side. Don't want any spoilers. Actually, to tell the truth, I got the email yesterday to say what the project was, so I have had spoilers. But let's have a look and see what we've got inside. And we have put that down there a minute. Have 3 pieces of gorgeous fabric that will coordinate with each other. We have the most important thing of all, which is the sweet treat, a Freddo bar that will go in my little snack box that's in my sewing desk. We have a zip. We have a quilter's pencil, and then in this little bag we have, if I can open it, opening this end, we have some Gutermann thread. It's 100% polyester, so it's the sew wool thread. And it's 100 meters of thread. And we also have, excuse me while I move something out of the way, Bella's getting in the way. And we also have a magnetic clasp. Put that back in there. And finally we have, we have this gridded piece of plastic and some interfacing. So I need to get to my little cheat sheet, please. So the project this month is a bag. And included in the box is 3 half-meter pieces of Ebb and Flow premium cotton fabric. Oh, we've got 2 pieces of, we've got 2 pieces of interfacing. So we have the VH870 fusible interfacing and a piece of 614W lightweight fusible interfacing, 18mm magnetic clasp, an 18 zip. Can't get my words out today. I don't know what's going wrong. A plastic template, a chalk pencil, Gutermann thread, and a sweet treat. So yeah, we've got all those. Yeah, that's everything. So that's the Always Knitting and Sewing Stitchy box. I get the I think it's called the deluxe stitchy box because it has the everything you need to make the project. They do one that is just the fabric, I believe they still do that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a good weekend and take care. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.